Este es el video de ejercicios del nivel 2, lección 8. Unir oraciones. And, but, so. Para la palabra but. Cada frase se dirá 2 veces. Después de la segunda vez, tú la repites. I like coffee, but I don't like tea. I like coffee, but I don't like tea. She is tired, but she is happy. She is tired, but she is happy. He is young, but he is very serious. He is young, but he is very serious. It is cold today, but the sun is out. It is cold today, but the sun is out. I want to go, but I don't have time. I want to go, but I don't have time. The house is small, but it is comfortable. The house is small, but it is comfortable. Unir ideas. I like coffee, but not tea. I like coffee, but not tea. She is tired, but happy. She is tired, but happy. He is young, but serious. He is young, but serious. It is cold, but sunny. It is cold, but sunny. I want to go, but can't. I want to go, but can't. The house is small, but comfortable. The house is small, but comfortable. Muy bien, escucha otra vez. Repite hasta que puedas decir cada frase fácilmente en inglés.